Ever wanted to have two of you in one location? This clone effect looks like complex VFX, but I'm going to show you how to do it for free in Final Cut Pro in less than 3 minutes. Let's go. First, the most important step happens before you even edit. Lock your camera on a tripod or something steady. Set your focus, exposure, and white balance to manual. This is critical. Then, record yourself. In Final Cut, stack your video on top of each other in the timeline. The top clip is the one we'll be masking. Select the top clip, go to your effects browser, find the masks category, and drag the magnetic mask effect onto your top clip. Now, simply click on your subject to create a rough outline. Don't worry about being perfect yet. Once you have your subject masked, hit the Analyze button. To make it seamless, go to the inspector and increase the feather property just a little. This softens the edge of the mask and blends the two shots. And just like that, you've created a professional looking clone effect right inside Final Cut Pro. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And let me know in the comments what you're going to create with this effect. For more quick tips to level up your videos, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.